Whoa! This place is a mess! What happened? What? This voice seems very familiar to me. Sammy, what are you doing in here?
Sue accidentally dropped her ring into the trash this morning, and she asked me to find it. At least it didn't fall into the food waste.
Well, this is actually a craft paradise. See for yourself. These two look like a house.
Huh? What do you mean?
Haha, I'll eat you up. Om nom 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 nom. Hi guys, today we're gonna make a very unusual and big craft.
Raj insists that a moving castle exists, but I'd made moving robots so many times and I know for sure we need batteries and wires and…
Why can't you just take my word for it, Sammy? Let's carefully cut off the excess.
Oh, I know! We'll use some glue now!
Guys, don't forget about safety when working with a glue gun. Don't get burned. There we go.
I just know it's impossible!
Could you just give it time? And if you really don't know the story about Hal's moving castle, I'm here to tell it. Whoop! This is what you should get, guys.
Woohoo! But who's Hal?
Hold on, let me tell this story from the very beginning. It starts quite ordinary, with falling in love.
I see. Another girly stuff.
Sammy, don't jump into conclusions, it's not good. Moreover, it is bad manners to interrupt.
Sorry, I won't say a word.
Where did I stop? Ah, yes! Sophie, a young and shy hatter, heard rumors that a famous moving castle of a mysterious wizard named Hal appeared near her town. Everybody, especially the girls, were dreaming of meeting him. He saved Sophie and she'd fallen in love.
Then they got married and lived happily ever after.
Not exactly. I didn't know you're so romantic, Sammy.
No, I'm not. I'm tough like Magneto. Ha!
Wow, that's just what I needed. You, little guy, go here.
Let me help you a little. Roger, didn't you forget something?
Huh? Like what?
We want to know what happened to Sophie next! Right, guys? Support me with a thumbs up!
Ugh, look what you've done! It wasn't necessary to yell like that. I guess we can't do without a couple of supports. Here we go. Something's different. Hey, and where did this come from?
I made that so you won't distract from your story.
I can see you're really interested in the girly stuff, then.
Roger, I don't get it. Why did I risk my head if you never use this thing?
I'll use it right now. So, after Sophie met Hal, he left. He had much to do. You know those wizards. But that very night, a new visitor came to Sophie's little shop. It was a fine lady in furs.
Shiver me chatters. And tell us what happened next, Raj, please.
Be patient, Sammy. And the next morning, what do you think may have happened?
Hal came back. Sophie found a magic wand.
Sophie woke up very old.
What? Impossible. But what is she gonna do? Why did the lady do this? Will Hal help Sophie? But first she needs to find him, right? Weren't you answering, Roger?
I don't want to spoil you the pleasure of watching that animated film.
Okay, I'll write down the title. Can you please also tell me the name of the director?
Do you know Hayao Miyazaki?
Oh yes! You and I made a Spirited Away bathhouse before. That's another film of his. Guys, have you watched this video? If not, I strongly recommend you to do it.
Hey, Sammy, check this out.
Is it time to eat? I'm always ready.
That's not food. We'll use these bricks for our craft.
No offense, but right now this whole thing looks more like a strange bowl for instant noodles.
Sam, did you really think we were gonna leave it like that? No way! The best is yet to come. Like the details and decorations. Carefully. Whoop. Guys, don't rush here. And a little more. There is one more thing we have to do at this stage. Let's cover the backside with these paper strips. This way.
It'll take you forever, Raj.
I don't think so, Sammy. Ah, you'll help me out, my friend. Let's do this, Mr. Scarecrow. Hey, thanks a lot. Here comes magic. Wow, it came out just like it should. Cool.
be back in a second. Girly stuff.
Oh, hey Sammy, are you over that yet?
Over what? The fact that you turned in a great magician's castle into a girly house with sparkles?
Ah, I see. You mean these rhinestones on the dome. Actually, you could have noticed that in the movie, all the castle's surfaces are covered with them.
Yes, but, I guess.
What? We've almost finished with the whole construction, and you still didn't look at the original castle?
Oh, wow, so I see that we'll be working on this craft for like 10 years more, huh?
Less, if you help.
Oh, you'll see.
So hurry up, or I'll finish everything first. And I know you can't let it happen. Guys, don't you mind if I cheat a little bit? I know one trick and I want to check out how it works. Whoosh! No way! It came out even better than I thought.
And what do you say about this?
It's really impressive, Sammy. Whoa, so detailed. Check this out, guys. This is cool, right?
And here's something else.
Sammy, well done. This totally is a masterpiece, and I like this relief. But let's keep going, guys. Check out this jaw.
That's right, guys. The castle has a face with eyes, nose, and even ears. That's the one, by the way.
That's because it's not a simple house. It's the living castle.
Looks like I'm gonna beat you, Roger. Woo!
No, we're neck to neck.
As far as I know, the castle has no neck.
You're right, Sammy. And thanks for this piece. I could really use it.
Cheater! That's not fair! Okay, you watch this. Done!
You're a real craft master, Sam. Great job.
No time to rest, Roger. We've got a lot of work to do.
You're right. As usual. Sam, I've noticed something.
What? What are you talking about?
Oh, that thing looks like a bagpipe, but without a bag.
Hardy har. While you're joking, I'm finishing all the details.
I didn't waste time too. We can't see the castle's belly, but it doesn't mean we can skip this part. Actually, I wanted to say it's the most detailed and interesting craft that I've ever made. So many details. I could look at this castle all day long.
But you forgot something.
Thanks, Sammy. I'm almost done. How are you doing?
Moving forward little by little. And now I'm on the finish line. Do you want to grab a bite?
Don't mind if I do. Guys, it's high time for us to paint our craft and all its astonishing details. First, we'll cover it with primer.
Roger, I will help. We have to speed up.
I didn't even finish my explanation, Sammy. Maybe you're hiding something. For example, did you the Flash?
Everybody knows how fast I can be, especially if the craft's really great.
And it is. Do you agree, guys? If yes, give us a thumbs up. It's dry. Now you know, guys, that every goal, even as big and complicated, can be achieved if you break it into smaller goals. The main thing here is to work step by step, and don't rush as our mutual pink friend. All right, let the magic begin. Sam, I know some tricks too. Just look. Wow, we're doing great.
Hey, you're right, Roger. Looks cool, but I was thinking of adding some moss. Do you like this idea?
I sure do. You always have great ideas, Sam. Let's do this.
What do you say, Raj? Is it ready?
Oh yes, we can have a closer look.
incredible. Wonderful. Great!
Hey, Sammy, didn't you forget about your mission?
Huh? What do you mean?
Susie's ring?
Oh my Thada! She's on her way home! She'll be so upset! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Calm down, Sam. I happened to find it.
Good macarons! Was it really necessary to scare me like that? Ugh, I know a perfect place for it. Sue will notice the ring the very moment she comes. You go here, my precious.
Wow, Sam, today you've got so many cool ideas. Guys, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up. Bye-bye.